Banking operations. Question 1. Which of the following performs front office functions in a bank? A. Branch office. B. Regional office. C. Head office. D. All the above. Answer is A. Branch office. Question 2. Which of the following statement regarding banking is not correct? A. Banking includes accepting deposits from public. B. Banking includes lending the deposits accepted from public. C. Banking includes investing the deposits accepted from public. D. Banking includes sale and purchase of goods by using the deposits accepted from public. Answer is D. Banking includes sale and purchase of goods by using the deposits accepted from public. 3. In addition to their main business of accepting a deposit from public for the purpose of lending and investment, which other business can be carried by the banks? A. Manufacturing of goods. B. Sale and purchase of goods. C. Sale and purchase of assets. D. Business which is incidental to business of banking. Answer is D. Business which is incidental to business of banking. 4. In which of the following cases banks can deal, buy or sell goods and services? A. In order to earn profits to sustain their operations. B. In order to realize the security held by them in connection with banking business. C. In order to engage them gainfully in some business or the other. D. All the above. Answer is B. In order to realize the security held by them in connection with banking business. 5. Which type of deposits can be accepted by banks out of the following? A. Cash certificates. B. Annuity deposits. C. Certificate of deposit. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 6. Which of the following is used by banks to convert their illiquid assets into liquid assets? A. Leasing. B. Securitization. C. Factoring. D. Forfeiting. Answer is B. Securitization. 7. Banks are allowed to perform activities such as equipment leasing, hire purchase, factoring, etc., which are classified as A. Parabanking activities. B. Merchant banking activities. C. Ancillary activities. D. Any of the above. Answer is A. Parabanking activities. Question 8. Which of the following activities carried by banks fall in parabanking activities of bank? A. Lending to corporate. B. Equipment leasing to corporate. C. Investment in securities. D. All the above. Answer is B. Equipment leasing to corporate. 9. The mutual fund business and money market mutual fund business of banks is regulated by which of the following? A. RBI and SEBI. B. Reserve Bank. C. SEBI. D. RBI and FIMMDA. Answer is C. SEBI. 10. When a bank decides to provide underwriting of corporate shares and debentures, such business is part of which of the following? A. Banking activities. B. Merchant banking activities. C. Ancillary activities. D. Any of the above. Answer is B. Merchant banking activities. 11. Banks conduct insurance business on with risk and without risk basis. It is classified as A. Parabanking activities. B. Merchant banking activities. C. Ancillary activities. D. Any of the above. Answer is A. Parabanking activities. 12. Banks sell insurance products to their clients as a corporate agent and earn commission. This business is classified as A. Bank assurance business. B. Underwriting business. C. Broking business. D. Referral business. Answer is A. Bancassurance business. 13. Banks promote joint ventures to issue insurance policies that bears the risk of loss. Such business is classified as A. Bancassurance business, B. Underwriting business, C. Broking business, D. Referral business. Answer is B. Underwriting business. 14. Insurance business on with risk basis or pension fund management business can be conducted by banks A. Through their general branches departmentally, B. Through their specially created branches departmentally, C. Through a subsidiary company, D. Any of the above. Answer is C. Through a subsidiary company. 15. The front office operations within the bank include which of the following? A. Marketing, B. Sales, C. Customer relation, D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 16. Which of the following types of activity is carried by back office? A. Administrative and audit services, B. Audit and support services, C. Administrative and support services, D. Audit and inspection services. Answer is C. Administrative and support services. 17. The back office in a bank is generally located A. Within the branch premises, B. Within corporate office premises, C. Outside branch or corporate office premises, D. Any of the above. Answer is C. Outside branch or corporate office premises. 18. Which of the following is not part of treasury operations? A. Investment in securities, B. Funds management, C. Bills rediscounting, D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. 19. A personal branch within a bank generally serves A. Individual customers, B. Corporate customers, C. Trading customers, D. All the above. Answer is A. Individual customers. 20. Which of the following performs routine functions of front office? A. ATMs, B. Internet banking, C. Mobile banking, D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 21. A bank makes use of third party to perform banking activities on a continuing basis that would normally be undertaken by bank itself. This is called A. Agency services, B. Outsourcing, C. Contracting, D. Facilitating. Answer is B. Outsourcing. 22. Which of the following functions cannot be outsourced by banks? A. Internal audit, B. Compliance function, C. Decision making function, D. None of these. Answer is D. None of these. 23. Which of the following factors lead to significant risk in outsourcing of banking services? A. Processing of high volumes of transaction within a short period, B. Use of EFT and other communication systems to transfer large amount of money, C. Operations in many geographically dispersed locations, D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. Question 24. Banks need to have formal operating instructions in place because of which of the following reasons? 1. Banks have custody of large volumes of cash and other money items. B. Banks undertake large number of transactions involving large amounts. C. Banks operate through geographically dispersed wide network of branches. Options are A. 1 to 3 all, B. 1 and 3 only, C. 1 and 2 only, D. 2 and 3 only. Answer is A. 1 to 3 all. Question 25. Which of the following statement is not correct with regard to banking operational manual? A. It is an operational guide for the staff. B. It is a full-fledged legal framework. C. It covers the aspects that are currently relevant to the bank. D. None of the above. Answer is B. It is a full-fledged legal framework. With this we come to the end of the topic banking operations.